In a tense courtroom scene on Monday, former President Donald Trump's hush money trial reached new levels of drama as Judge Juan Merchan repeatedly clashed with defense witness Robert Costello. Costello, a former federal prosecutor, displayed contemptuous behavior during his testimony, provoking responses from the judge that reverberated through the courtroom. The trial, which hinges on whether Trump falsified business records to cover up a $130,000 payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, saw Costello's testimony interrupted multiple times. Costello, who attempted to undermine the credibility of Trump's former attorney Michael Cohen, responded to the prosecution's objections with audible remarks and eye rolls, actions that led Judge Merchan to clear the courtroom to address Costello's behavior privately. Costello's combative demeanor was evident as he muttered "geez" after one sustained objection and rolled his eyes, causing Judge Merchan to send the jury out and deliver a stern warning. "If you don't like my ruling, you don't say geez, and then you don't say strike it. You don't give me side-eye, and you don't roll your eyes," Merchan admonished. When the jury returned, Costello's testimony proceeded under closer scrutiny. After the court session concluded, Trump appeared before the press, labeling Judge Merchan as a tyrant and voicing support for Costello, whom he described as a highly respected lawyer. Costello's role was pivotal, born out of his long-standing antagonistic relationship with Cohen. His testimony included accusations that Cohen had lied about Trump's knowledge of the Daniels payment, a claim Cohen vehemently denies. Michael Cohen, the prosecution's star witness, added layers to the trial's narrative by admitting to past lies and criminal actions, including stealing from the Trump Organization. While Cohen's credibility was under attack, he maintained his assertion that Trump was aware of the hush money payment, describing multiple conversations with him on the matter. Cohen's admission of enriching himself from company transactions only fueled the defense's argument that his testimony was unreliable. As the defense prepares to call their final witnesses, including potentially campaign finance expert Bradley A. Smith, the trial moves towards closing arguments scheduled for May 28th. The jury is tasked with deliberating whether Trump is guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records, an unprecedented trial being the first criminal case against a former U.S. president. The tension-filled courtroom session underscored the high stakes of this case, which seeks to determine whether Trump engaged in illegal conduct to influence the 2016 presidential election. The outcome remains uncertain as both sides gear up for their final arguments and the jury's critical deliberation next week.